Hey, I'm Ross with Sky Management, and I wanted to do a quick review of a Korky Wax Free Toilet ring. Usually we use the wax ones. That's been the traditional way, and they are kind of messy, and I was looking for an alternative the other day, and I came across this, and I tried one of these, and I thought it worked out pretty well, so I'm going to put one of these on and kind of show you how it works and tell you what I think. These wax-free toilet seals seem to be a good alternative to the wax ring. They come with the bolts that go with it to hook the toilet on, but I'm going to go ahead and use the bolts that are already on there. And a couple different sizes of ring. If your toilet flange sticks up above the floor, then they have the small ones, and then there's a larger one if it sits down below the floor or flush with the floor. And then if you're going really far down, you can stack them up. So you got two of them. I think what I'm going to do is use the larger one, and there's holes on the sides, and those just go right over the bolts, and you've got a flange on the bottom, fits down in the hole. What I like about these is that when you go to set the toilet on there, if you kind of miss the hole a little bit, you don't smash your wax ring, because it's just this foam rubber stuff, and that keeps it all in one piece, so you can kind of bounce the toilet around on there until you find the holes. You don't have to hit it directly on it in the first shot and worry about smashing your ring all crooked on there. Looking at it, I might go with the smaller one. It looks pretty thick, so I'll go with the smaller one. And we'll set our toilet on there and give it a try. When you go to set your toilet on there, you want to make sure you've got all the wax cleaned off at the bottom of the toilet. Just kind of wobble it on there so the bolts are sticking out the holes. And it is sitting on that rubber, so when we tighten it down, it should pull it down to the floor. Once we got it sealed down to the floor, we'll hook the water back up and we'll check it for leaks. I've flushed it a couple times and I don't see any leaks, so far I'm real happy with the non-wax Korky wax ring replacement. I would recommend these. It seemed to work really well. This particular flange is raised up above the floor, and I think it would probably be better for that than ones that are sat down below the floor, but we'll have to try it on one of those to figure that out. But I like them. If you'd like to see a full tutorial on how to install a toilet, I will put the link in the comment section below here, and we'll also have it in the end screen at the end.